Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go through the recent highest paying high yield savings accounts for 2024 for the month of January. As you can see over here, we're having APY of 4.6% from SoFi, which obviously it's ranked number one here from Nerd Wallet. This is obviously the highest over here. The second one comes from Barclays at 4.3%. We're having American Express Savings, which is 4.3% with a minimum balance of $1. The two of the other accounts does not have any additional requirements. Also, the SoFi will give you $300 with direct deposit. If you essentially want to learn more about it, we can proceed and check out. On top of that, guys, you may also be interested if you have a cash account in some of these brokers. So essentially, as you saw over here, guys, the highest rate so far has been offered by Wealthfront, 5% with $1 minimum balance for the APY. Again, over here, as you can see, the bonus is $60, requirements to apply. If we click on this one, you will find out that you have to deposit $25,000 or more to get the sign-up bonus of $60. So essentially, you can open it, right? If you don't want to deposit $25,000, it's okay. You're not gonna get the $60 bonus, but you're still gonna get the APY of 5% with a minimum balance of $1, right? So I mean, this still seems interesting. Compare this with the other options which are here, right? In the US, you have the SoFi 4.6% with zero minimum balance, right? And let's click on the questionnaire. Let's learn more about it. So SoFi members with direct deposit or $5,000 or more in qualified deposits during the 30-day evaluation can earn 4.6 annual percentage yield. Okay, but you see, guys, you still have to do a direct deposit or $5,000 or more in qualified deposits during this 30-day period. I think that's still a high for savings accounts. It's always like high. I remember for Chase they were giving, or they usually give like $100 bonus and you have to deposit like 15k. It's crazy how for the savings accounts, which usually is not like the crazy deal, crazy benefits, right? They ask you to put upfront so much money. Anyway, guys, this is so far for January 2024. As you saw, not so many deals, but it is what it is. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.